Hello, you're welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you CapCut alternative. In case you don't have CapCut, you don't have the premium version. Now there's it's called QuickCut. All right, this is QuickCut. Let me just click and open. Now this is what it looks like. Now it has all the features that you have on CapCut. All right. In case you cannot afford the premium pro version of CapCut, now QuickCut will help you to do that. All right. So they have for Android and they have for iPhone. You can just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. You can see these are videos that I've already edited with CapCut. Let me just show you what I've done with it. Let me open one of the video. Right, you can see this is the video I've edited with QuickCut. You can see. All right. So it has all the features. Okay, it has all the features. Now you can see it has audio. You can add audio, right? You can add music. You can even extract video. You can record. You say QuickCut would like to access your microphone. Click on allow. You'll be able to record. All right. You can do voiceover and add to your video. There, you can then reduce noise. Let me click on the video so that I can reduce noise. So if you click on it, you can see this volume. All right, you have volume. You can increase your volume to 100%, which is 1000%, and you can denoise. In other words, you can reduce the noise. You can also come here. If you can use CapCut, all right, this animation. Now, this speed is to increase the speed of your video. I want it to be very fast, as you can see. Now you have this animation. If you click on animation, now for your intro, all right, everything that CapCut has, QuickCut has it also. The difference is just that CapCut is pro, this one is free. Now you're not supposed to pay anything for it. It is 100% free. Unlike CapCut that you have to pay money to use. Now you can come here, you can see adjust. It has filter. All right, it has filters. Now it also has this the noise. Like I can reduce the noise. Okay, it has everything. All right, this voice, this video effect. It has a lot of effects. Just name it, any kind of effect at all. All right. It has a lot of effects now. My phone is not loading up. I think that because of network. Right now, it has character effect, same thing as CapCut. It has a spatial effect. Now, name it. It has sticker. All right. Now you can, as you can see, this particular video, it has what's called ratio, aspect ratio. Okay. This background, the same thing you can do on CapCut. It has aspect ratio. You can split. All right, you can see I split most of the part of this video. You can split with it. Now it has stickers. You can come here, click on sticker. Most of the sticker will come up. All right, I'm having a low network. That's why it's not content not loading. All right, I think my data is off, so that's why I will just go ahead and on my data. Hello, yeah, welcome. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to. You can see one of the stickers come up because I clicked on it. Let me click on that. So I guess my data is on. All right, my data is on. I think I was having low data before. Hello, yeah, welcome. So you can see here's the stickers. You can search for any sticker you want, right? Favorites, recent. So you can just any sticker you want, you can make use of it over here. All right, you can see how they are, right? You can edit the same features like CapCut. You can see you can drag, you can reduce it, you can drag, right? So if you know how to use CapCut, because on this channel I'll be teaching how to use CapCut, and a lot of people have complained that they don't have the pro version of CapCut. So if you don't have the pro version of CapCut, there's some certain things you cannot access. But if you download QuickCut, you'll be able to access all the features that you have. All right. Now QuickCut has all the features that you need. Okay. All right. Even this video that I'm making now, I'm going to use QuickCut to edit it, to edit the video. This is what I currently use. Though I also have CapCut, but this is what I use on my iPhone. I use CapCut on my Android phone. All right. This is what I use. So you can go ahead and download it. Go to your Play Store. Right. So I'll be giving some tutorial tips on how to use QuickCut. Since this is a free app that everybody can resonate with, there are some things I do on CapCut. A lot of people cannot do it because they don't have the pro version or they cannot pay for it. So I'm going to be using QuickCut and I'm going to be doing some tutorial videos on how to edit with QuickCut. A lot of features that it has. All right. So in case you don't have the pro version of CapCut, switch over to QuickCut. as I'll be teaching you how to do that. So I will see you in my next class.